Okay guys, for today's video, I'm happy to share this kasi yung matagal ng news before about GoTime na having a loan service is already available. However, ano lang guys, hindi pa available sa lahat. So, sabi nila on beta pa lang, so medyo konti pa lang ang meron nito. And guys, I admit ako, wala pa ako nito, but this information is good to share and discuss to everyone kasi hindi siya yung normal na loan na buy now pay later service natin. Bakit? Anong meron dito? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so bakit nga? Bakit hindi ito yung normal nating buy now, pay later? Okay, so dahil GoTime yan, pinangalan nila dito ay More Time. So More Time daw. Well, hindi naman bago tong pangalan na tong lending service na to. Ito rin yung ginamit ni Time Group sa ibang lugar like sa Africa. More Time din ang tawag nila dito sa service na to. And almost the same din kung paano tumatakbo itong pagpapag-utang nila. Okay, basahin natin. More Time is a buy now, pay later BNPL feature offered by GoTime Bank that allows user to split purchases into 4 equal installments. It's available for in-store and online transaction where QRPH person to merchant is accepted. More Time allows user to spend up to 4 times their GoTime bank account balance within their credit limit. And you have access to a lower monthly fixed fee. Okay, so narinig nyo na ba yung pinagkaiba nito? Okay, so sige, sa traditional na mga buy now pay later service natin like GGives, Bilis, Tome, usually, nagbibigay sila ng credit limit. And yung credit limit na binibigay nila is based on their internal credit evaluation sa iyo. So, for example, si GGives binigyan ka ng 50,000 pesos. So, yun yung credit line na pwede mong gamitin. However, with More Time by GoTime, nakadepende to sa deposit amount mo. Meaning, kailangan mong may pera dun sa bank account mo with GoTime before kang pwedeng gumamit ng More Time. Hindi naman ibig sabihin guys na ngayon, maglagay kayo ng pera dyan, pwede na kayo makagamit ng More Time. Hindi. Again, nakabeta pa lang to, so limited pa lang ang nagkakaroon ng access sa More Time. Pero yung mga nabigyan na ng access, basically, kung magkano yung laman ng kanilang bank account, that's up to ×4. Pero meron pa rin silang binibigay na credit limit din. Pero later, i-discuss natin yan. So yung available credit na magagamit mo, it depends dun sa amount na nilagay mo. For example, ang binigay sa yung credit line is up to 100,000. So, naglagay ka ng 10,000, ang magiging available credit mo lang for More Time is only around 40,000 kasi ×4. Pero, meron kang credit line na up to 100. Paano ma-avail yung 100? Let's say, naglagay ka ng 50,000. So, 50,000 ×4, that's 200,000. Pero, ang credit limit mo lang is up to 100. Meaning, ang magiging available balance mo lang is 100,000 at hindi 200,000. Kasi hanggang dun lang yung pwede mong utangin. So, ganun nag-work ang credit limit and available limit. Ngayon, let's say, yung 50,000 na dineposit mo, binawasan mo ng 40,000. So, 10,000 na lang natira. So, 10,000 ×4, 40,000 na lang ang magiging available credit limit mo. So, ganun siya. Nag-a-adjust siya automatic based dun sa amount na nilagay mo as your deposit and then also based dun sa credit limit na sinet ni GoTime sa'yo. Okay, what's good with this More Time is that ang ginagamit niya ay QRPH. Meaning kahit sinong merchant na merong QRPH, magagamit mo itong More Time service or itong loan service ni GoTime. Ang hindi na nga lang siguro kinagandahan nito para sa akin is that kailangan mo ng 25% down payment. Technically, hindi siya for installment. Kasi yung 25%, yun na yung unang bayad mo. And then, magbabayad ka ng additional 3 installment dun sa loan tenure mo. So, parang lumalabas na 3 installment lang siya within 90 days. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ka ng down payment. So, marketing na lang talaga yung sinasabi na 4 installment. Siyempre, di ba? Mas gusto mo naman talaga na 4 installment. Pero, kasi considered as down yun eh. Di ba? Make sense ba? Sana na gets nyo yung ibig kong sabihin. Okay. So, hindi ko po mapapakita sa inyo kung anong itsura nito dahil wala pa akong experience with More Time. However, nandito po sa website nila yung More Time and pwede natin gamitin yung example to calculate yung interest. Borrowing made light, ayan. Pay in 4, easy installment with low fees. Scan now, pay later, ayan. More Time makes any big purchase feel lighter. So, 25% yung down payment, payment 2 is additional 25% after 30 days. Then after 60 days, 25% ulit. And 90 days, 25%. So yeah, you get the picture. So ito po siya. So for example po, 19,999 yung babayaran nyo. Ito po yung magiging offer sa inyo in installment. Ito, bali 5,316.09 ang magiging monthly payment nyo and then yung down nyo. So kung i-calculate po natin yan, ibabawas po muna natin yung unang binayad natin which is the down payment, yung 5,316.09, 19,999 minus 5,316.09. So basically, ang principal amount po na inutang natin with more time is 14,682.91. Babalikan po natin yung amount na yan. Balik po tayo sa 5,316.09. I-multiply po natin yan sa 3 kasi 3 buwan po natin siyang babayaran. 15,948.27 yung total na babayaran natin. I-divide po natin yan dun sa na-calculate po natin kanina. 14,682.91. Lumalabas po na 8.61 or 8.62% yung interest for 3 months. Divide po natin to ng 3 for 3 months. Ito po yung monthly add-on interest niya. 2.87%. Kung kukunin po natin yung APR niya, i-multiply po natin yan by 12, lumalabas po na 34.47% per annum ang APR ng more time. Kung i-compare po natin to sa mga ibang buy now pay later, mukhang mababa naman po to. Ang pinagkaibahan lang po kasi is shorter loan term po to versus sa mga iba. Katulad ni G-Gives, ni Bilis, yan. Pero mababa po ang interest na pinapataw nila. So, basically, yan po yung insights about this new service, the loan service ni GoTyme. Again, kailangan po meron kayong deposit sa kanila bago kayo magkaroon ng available credit. But magiging available lang yan kapag nabigyan na po kayo ng access with more time. So, if we compare more time with other buy now pay later, feeling ko hindi po nag-stand out yung features nila. Feeling ko po para sa akin mas maganda pa rin po ang feature ni Bilis. Kasi bibigyan ka na niya ng credit line with an additional limit boost. And syempre may pay with grace pa na 0% if you complete it within 3 to 6 months, di ba? Ano bang panama ng ibang mga buy now pay later service with Bilis? Again guys, hindi po sponsored ni Bilis. It's just that I find Bilis features very attractive dahil sa 0% interest. Okay, yun lamang po for today's video. For our question of the day, anong masasabi nyo dito sa practice ni GoTyme na kailangan may deposit ka para maka-avail ka ng credit? Anong masasabi nyo doon? Makakapag-loan ka lang pag nagkaroon ka ng deposit with them. Ayan, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Hazel Mangaw. At Hazel Mangaw, sabi niya, hello po Sir Pat, watching from Abra de Ilog Occidental, Mindoro. Uy, layo niya na. Shoutout po sa inyo, Miss Hazel Mangaw. Thank you so much po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Maraming salamat po. And also sa mga taga Abra de Ilog Occidental, Mindoro. Thank you so much po for watching. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel, by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button to subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!